Why are we an AMI school? Because Association Montessori International has the highest standards of Montessori. Anyone can put Montessori on their building and in their name, but when you walk into the classroom, that's where you can really see the difference. The guides, the teachers, are trained. They take a very rigorous AMI training through that association. It's a very deep dive into the whole child: academic, social, emotional. If there's one piece missing, the child is not going to go where they need to go and where they want to take themselves. And our guides are trained, and they're thinking every day, all day. They're planning. They are connecting with that one child because they have been to those classes themselves, and they are deeply steeped in Montessori and its philosophy.